In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage user roles and permissions in WordPress. Understanding how to effectively control user access and privileges is crucial for maintaining a well-organized and secure website. WordPress comes equipped with a versatile system that allows you to assign specific roles to users, each bundled with a set of permissions tailored to various tasks. This ensures that individuals can only access and modify content and functionalities according to their role. To get started, it's important to know that WordPress assigns roles automatically for new users based on the default settings found in the Settings menu. Navigate to Settings in your WordPress dashboard, and then click on General. Here you'll find the New User Default role. This is where you can define the role that will be automatically assigned to users who register on your site. It's often set to Subscriber by default, but you can change it to a role that fits your site's specific needs. Now let's dive a little deeper into understanding what each role means. WordPress has several predefined roles, including Administrator, Editor, Author, Contributor, and Subscriber. Each of these roles gives the user different capabilities. The administrator has the most control, having access to all administrative functions. Editors have the power to manage content, including posts and pages created by others. Authors can publish and manage their own posts, while contributors can write and manage their own drafts but are unable to publish them. Subscribers can only manage their own profiles. To manage roles for existing users, head over to the Users section in your WordPress dashboard. There, you'll see a list of all your users. Clicking on a specific user allows you to edit their profile. Within the profile settings, you can easily change a user's role by selecting a new one from the drop-down menu labeled Role. Remember to save any changes by clicking the Update User button. It's also worth exploring plugins that can extend WordPress's capabilities, offering you more nuance in managing permissions. Plugins like User Role Editor allow you to customize roles and create new ones, tailoring functionality to meet your site's unique requirements. This can be particularly beneficial if you operate a larger website or a complex membership site. Keeping the principle of the least privilege in mind is essential when managing user roles. Assign users only the capabilities they need to do their jobs and nothing more. This minimizes the risk of accidental changes or security vulnerabilities. As you refine user roles and permissions, always ensure that your site remains secure and functional. And there you have it. With these guidelines, you'll be able to manage WordPress user roles and permissions effectively, striking that perfect balance between usability and security. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tips and tutorials.